Physical AI is transforming how intelligent machines interact with the real world. The market is expanding rapidly across manufacturing, logistics, autonomous mobility, healthcare, and industrial automations as AI moves beyond software into physical environment. The competitive landscape features a mix of AI, semiconductor, robotics, and industrial automation leaders. NVIDIA leads with 3% leveraging its AI computing simulations and robotic ecosystem. Symbiotic, Siemens, and KUKA each hold 2%, reflecting strong position in intelligent warehouse automation, industrial AI, and robotics. Meanwhile, Qualcomm holds 2%, supported by its edge AI and intelligent device technology. Together, all these major companies are shaping the next generation of autonomous, adaptive, and AI-powered machines.
Markets move fast. Your decision need to move faster. The 360iResearch platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your team move from data to confident actions. Connect with 360iResearch and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.